Hello guys, welcome back. Been a long time since last made a devlog. This one is also gonna be to the short side. Firstly, after Unity's recent announcement, I've decided to switch to the Godot game engine, even though I don't have any prior experience with the game engine. Johnny Boy, the good CEO of Unity, is simply just creating too much of a shit show to not switch engine right now. So the only thing I have in Godot representing a game is a shitty 3D controller right now, which I made over the week. With that being said, I've been working on some more creatures for the game. For example, a fox that is combined with a moose. And I've been drawing some more creatures. My idea for the last part of this year is to be comfortable enough in a Godot to hopefully have some gameplay put together, maybe a little demo. The idea for the demo is to have a tree island finished with the giant tree where I need to find some pages for a notebook and to explore the island for these missing pages. Meanwhile, you are able to interact with the creatures. Hopefully I will have 4 creatures ready, and you can tame one of them, and that will be a companion for the game course. And just look around. I hope that I will be able to put all this together in Godot somewhere around the next 5 months or so, but that depends on how hard the learning curve for Godot is. Right now it seems okay if you also use ChatGPT to take some of the parts from Unity and put in. And if you would like to follow along, please give it a like and subscribe and see both my game journey and also how good I become in the Godot game engine with no experience.